Welcome back, and hello to my new subbies. Hello to anyone that might be their first time to my channel. I want to let you guys know, if this is your first time, please don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification to my channel. Now today I will be showing you how to do a 360 wig lace frontal. Now this is a 360 wig which has the lace all around. So as you can see, I did the bald cap on her. I'm actually just highlighting some of the cap on her. This wig is from Celie hair. I love this wig. The hair feels so wonderful. She's actually someone who normally wear her natural hair is not as full, so she wanted to try a lace wig. So hey, why not? Stay tuned while I complete this tutorial on this 360 wig. I have a lot of different looks, a lot of versatile looks that you can accomplish with this wig. Stay tuned. Very important tip: when you're laying down a wig, I normally kind of go like in the midriff area and just sew a little pieces down, you know, just so the client can feel secure. A lot of people like to throw their wigs on and off at night. Unfortunately, she wants to keep this on, so just to make her feel secure as far as knowing that the wig is not going anywhere, you know, just feel free to just sew in between those tracks. Yes, it also has a clip and it also have the drawstring. However, that does not always secure your wigs down. So just a quick tip. Now that I am finished laying the wig down, I wanted you guys to see what it looks like. Did you see how I shaped around her ear, so that when she does pull it up, everything is like an even flow motion? So I'm actually going to show you guys 3 different looks on this 360 wig. I'm going to show you a half up, half down, a soft little cute bun, and I'm also going to just show you something down. So stay tuned. You can achieve really any look with the 360 wig. Just keep in mind, if you are interested in purchasing this hair, please click the link in the description box. Celie hair is what it's called. They have some wonderful deals going on. It's going to be the holiday season, ladies. Click that link in that bio. Celie hair, I love it. Thanks. All right, this is look number 1. This is the half up, half down. I curled her entire hair so that it'll be a little bit easier for me to play with the hair. Sorry the camera was turned off, but this is the messy bun. I didn't want to do anything too polished, too neat. You know, I just wanted to do something maybe she can just throw it in the bun, and you know, it can still look like it's her hair. Now we're gonna do a center part. So with this being said, I'm actually going to straighten out the top of her hair. I'm going to go in and pluck a little bit, and we're just gonna make the look a little bit more polished, since this is the complete look. Once again, if you guys are interested in purchasing this hair, click the link in the description box. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Alright, quick little tip here. I am putting concealer on her part just to open it up a little bit some and define it. I know you guys are used to seeing the black hairspray. She's not a dark color type of person. She would do like the light brown, so I didn't want to harden her skin by spraying the black spray on her hair. So we just wanted to just keep the hair its natural color.